Sujata Pradhan. I am the coordinator of Korean International School. Today we have celebrated 79 Independence Day proudly. Our students got many certificates and trophies. We conducted earlier literary competition of 2025 with art, speech, calligraphy, all the things. Then we distributed prize today. Our chief guest came from C.H. Benkar and he is a doctor. So we celebrated nicely. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Rajratan Das, the principal of Young International School. Our school is situated in Brahmapur, Baris Moja. Today we are proudly celebrating the 79th Independence Day in our school. Yes, many of our students have joined today and we are also celebrating the proud occasion of Janmashtami also. Many of our teachers have joined, many of the students, they have performed beautiful dances, they sang songs and they got many prizes today. And really, it was a proud moment for all of us that we are celebrating this day in our school. Thank you.
ମୋ ନାଁ ଡକ୍ଟର ରାକେଶ କୁମାର ଜେନା। ଆଜି ପବିତ୍ର ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦିବସରେ ମୁଁ ୟର୍ନ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଚିଫ୍ ଗେଷ୍ଟ ଭାବେ ଆଜି ଆସିଅଛି। ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ଆଜି ସକାଳୁ ପିଲାମାନେ କୁନି କୁନି ପିଲାମାନେ ପ୍ୟାରେଡ଼ରେ ସମ୍ବର୍ଦ୍ଧନା ଦେଲେ, ପତାକା ଉତ୍ତୋଳନ ହେଲା। ଆଉ ଆଗକୁ କିଛିଟା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଅଛି, ସୁନ୍ଦର ଲାଗିଲା। ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ସାର୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପାଖରେ, ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ସମସ୍ତ ଟିଚର୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟାଫ୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର शुभेच्छा। आज गोटे पवित्र दिवस स्वाधीनता दिवस, ता सहित आज जन्माष्टमी प्रभु कृष्ण को आज आम पूजा करुचे। जन्मदिवस को सारा भारत में पालन करुचे। स्वाधीनता दिवस आज जो पवित्र दिवस आम देश सारा आम पालन करुचु। देश स्वाधीन हबार आज को हो जाऊँगी 69तम वर्ष। तेणु आगु को केमती आम देश समृद्धि शिखर को पहुँच बर्तमान आमर ये कुनि कुनि पिला मानकर दायित्व। तेणु आम केमती आमर समाज को, आमर धर्म को, आमर भारत भूमि को बंचाई रखा, ये आम समस्त आज दायित्व। एति कही रखुଛି। धन्यवाद।